Explosions shake the cities and tanks carve their way through the plains. This is Ukraine, where an epic story of endurance is being written. These are scenes you won't see anywhere else, coming directly from the heart of the battlefield. And you, my friend, don't just be a viewer, be part of the reality. Don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. In Zaporizhzhia, a Russian drone operator directed his UAV toward a fortified shelter where a Ukrainian unit had taken cover. The drone detonated inside the position, forcing the Ukrainian soldiers to flee, leaving behind their weapons and equipment. The group continued moving under the watch of Russian eyes until signs of exhaustion and injury became clearly visible. Eventually, the Ukrainian soldiers reached a nearby house and hid inside, believing they were safe. Moments later, Russian forces sent another drone that struck them directly, causing a massive explosion. Here, footage from a Russian drone shows it diving toward a Ukrainian soldier in Krasnoarmeysk. The soldier tried to fire at the UAV, but the drone hit him with a precise and direct strike. Meanwhile, Russian forces managed to destroy an M113 armored vehicle used by Ukrainian troops, despite its hedgehog-style protective covering. The drone hit the vehicle's roof with an anti-armor warhead. From the forests of Zaporizhzhia, a series of Russian drones targeted a Ukrainian unit inside a trench, causing widespread destruction. In another scene, a Ukrainian soldier unintentionally revealed his unit's location. Russian forces immediately responded with a barrage of guided artillery shells that struck the area while Ukrainian troops were still present. On the southern front, a Russian UAV flew at low altitude along a road, striking a Ukrainian armored vehicle head-on. Nearby, another drone dove onto a Ukrainian soldier who had frozen in place, hoping the operator wouldn't see him, but the drone delivered a direct hit. A Russian drone also attacked a vehicle carrying a group of Ukrainian soldiers. One soldier tried hiding under a tree, but the UAV greeted him with a precise strike. This footage shows a Russian drone flying down a road in the village of Ropsti, hitting a Ukrainian military vehicle directly. In the forests of Krasnoarmeysk, another drone dove onto a burning Ukrainian tank, as the operator assumed the fire was not intense enough. Thermal footage captures yet another Russian drone targeting a Ukrainian soldier, trying to hide inside a house. Here, a Ukrainian 155mm Bogdana artillery system fires at Russian positions while soldiers celebrate nearby. But when they moved the gun into a shelter, a Russian drone descended and struck them directly inside the hideout. In Orikhiv, Russian forces launched concentrated and repeated drone attacks on Ukrainian trenches and fortified positions. The drones targeted the trench openings with high precision, destroying positions and eliminating many Ukrainian personnel. Russian UAVs also tracked a Ukrainian team digging a trench in the forests of Zaporizhzhia, then delivered a direct and accurate strike. Russian forces later destroyed a Ukrainian drone launch site in the village of Boguslavka in Kharkiv, using a precision-guided missile. Another strike in Veliki Prokhody destroyed a facility containing air defense equipment and drone launch systems with a Kalish 38 air-launched guided missile. Elsewhere, Russian drones operating with fiber optic guidance delivered destructive strikes on Ukrainian personnel and equipment in Kupiansk. They burned Ukrainian military vehicles in Kharkiv, disabled drone control stations in Zaporizhzhia, and even brought down Ukrainian UAVs through direct drone-to-drone collisions. Over Zaitsev, Russian forces destroyed a Ukrainian water crossing point using a Krasnoarmeysk precision-guided artillery round.